To locate UN Security Council documents, meeting records, speeches, resolutions, and votes, go to un.org. Oops. There it is. Select your language. And then go to the About the UN tab and select that. So I'm going to scroll down to the main bodies of the UN. Oops. Click on this image here under main bodies, or click on main bodies. This will tell you about the General Assembly, and we're going down to the Security Council, and I am going to play this video. Alright, so under Security Council, click on Security Council in the first line. That'll take you to a page where on the right hand side you'll find a section called Key Documents. We're going to click on Meeting, Records, and Outcomes, and you'll see a list of years, and here's a list of all the documents in 2021. And in order to find your topic, unfortunately we can't just search this page, so I would do a Control F, go down to 2017 and do the same thing, Control F for Myanmar, and I see there's a document, a couple documents in December, November, September, and then back again. So we can open up these documents and read them. Go back and look at the next document. This one is 24 pages. You can also do a Control F within this document if you have a particular person or word you're looking for. We'll get familiar with these and then go back and select another date and read those documents about the same subject. Key documents, if you go there, go to this list and then choose See All Documents. Alright, so here is Presidential Statements. Scroll down just a little bit. Notes by the President. Alright, here we are, Notes by the President. Check out whatever date you are. Here's a list of notes from the President from 2017. Very interesting list. Verification and monitoring of the Islamic Republic of Iran in light of United Nations Security Council Resolution 2231. Click on that link and you can read what the President has to say.